Order blocks, what are they? I know Inner Circle Trader talks about order blocks all the time. I know other YouTubers are, but in this video, I'm going to show you what an order block is, and if you should trade them or not, and if they're a waste of time, or are they a gold mine? Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe, and let's jump right into the video. An order block is, think of it this way. When there's a shift of market structure, right? We could see we're in an uptrend right here, okay? We actually make a new high, kind of take liquidity, right? And then we actually break below this candle's low. So this break right here is actually a market shift, right? We went from being bullish to bearish. So when we see that, what we look for is a fair value gap, right? And here's the easiest, most simplest way to think of what an order block is, how to trade it, right? And why I actually love them. I think they're gold mines, especially with, if you guys follow my S&P E-mini weekly trade zones, you'll actually really understand why I love them, because it all ties in together, right? So here is our fair value gap, right? It's a 3-candle pattern where we actually have kind of like a small candle, a big expansion candle, another small candle, and then price continues lower. And what happened was during this time, this expansion and this third candle, the third candle never retraced, so it left what's called a fair value gap. Think of it as a gap in price, right? If you actually go back and look at the charts, you'll see a lot of times where price will retrace the previous candle. Like right here, we kind of made the high here, had a retracement. This candle kind of came back a little bit, but then this candle filled that fair value gap. So we actually had a very mini one here, but you could see a lot of times price will overlap, right? Well, the order block is using the number 1 candle, okay, and you draw from high to low, and that actually becomes your order block, right? So let's kind of, we'll color this red. I want to let you know about my S&P E-mini weekly trade zones that act as support and resistance levels that I update every single weekend for only a one-time payment of $99. You will also receive my 7-hour video course where I teach you how to trade my top 5 trading strategies. So if you want to learn more, go to daytradingfearless.com or look at the link down below. But right back to the video. Okay, and we now have 2 different things going on this chart. We actually have a fair value gap here, but then we also have a order block right here. And it's just essentially this candle. And the great way to trade it, that I actually love to trade this, is I like to put my order right at the high, in this case, the low of the low candle, right? In this case, it'd be right around 39.69. And my stop is either going to go above here, this candle high, or if there's a new high just above it, I'll put my stop right above there. And we could see, as price rallies, I would look to get short essentially right here. Okay, I'd have an order to get short. Price would come up, fill me. I know the market has shifted, right? We were bullish. We did the market shift, so now we're bearish. This is just a retracement of that move. And then what we have is a reversal all the way down. So you're essentially risking, we'll say something like this, to make all this. And maybe you would target this prior swing low as your target. That would give you maybe a 2-to-1 risk reward. So hopefully that video helps. As always, thank you for watching. Order blocks are definitely a thumbs up. I love them. They are just a added tool to my toolbox of trading, and hopefully you guys find value in this video. Until next time, we'll talk to you soon.